Hello everyone, I am Anand and I welcome you to CRS Info Solutions. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how you can render a list using an iterator in HTML while implementing a Lightning Web component. In my previous video, I showed you how to render a list using a for each loop. In this tutorial, we will use the iterator directive, another powerful way to loop through list in LWC. And I will walk you through each step slowly so you will understand it clearly. Make sure you keep a pen and notebook ready so we will write some notes and do hands-on coding together. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions and press the bell icon for more Salesforce related content. Now let's jump to the Visual Studio Code. Here we have to create a new Lightning Web component with the label name as rendering list iterator. So let's click on this LWC component folder and select create lightning web component, entering the label name as rendering 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 list iterator, and enter. Choose the default directory because we have to save this LWC component here. So our lightning web component created successfully and the JavaScript file opens automatically. So we will use a custom list of contact that I created in my previous video. It's look like this that we have created in. It's look like this. So copy this from here and paste it. This. Save this. Now in the HTML file rendering list iterator.html, we will build our template using the iterator directive. So start writing code here. Lightning card title equals to rendering list using iterator. Rendering using iterator. Enter here. Now UL class equals to SLDS hyphen M hyphen around score medium template trader colon IT contacts list item key equals to it dot key, no, it dot value dot it dot value dot id plus equals to list hyphen first. Sorry, we did a mistake here. We have to create one div before this. Div class. Div if if store it dot first equals to list hyphen first and div close. We have to I didn't create. It's good. Okay. Now it dot value dot name it dot value dot title. If true equals to it dot last class equals to list hyphen last div close. So save this file. Now let's discuss this code line by line. Iterator colon it equals to contact. This loops through the contact list. It dot value accesses each object in the list. It dot first and it dot last special properties to check if the current item in the first is the first or last item in the list. We apply different CSS classes when these are true. Now let's create a file for CSS in this lightning web component. Rendering list iterator. uh, iterator dot css. So start writing the css file dot list dash first border viewer border px solid padding fpx dot list hyphen last border bottom px solid red padding 5 padding bottom 5 px padding bottom 5 px. We save this file and discuss this list hyphen first adds the top border before the first list item. List hyphen last add the bottom border after the last list item. So let's update this rendering list iterator.js hyphen meta.xml file. Changed is exposed false to true. And let's declare the targets where we have to display this lightning wave component. So save this file and deploy this lightning wave component to the org. Deploy source to org. Okay, let's move to the org. Open this report page. Edit this page. Search for lightning wave component render list iterator. Drag and drop it here. Save this. Back to the page. Refresh it. Here we get the desired output. Anand trainer, John developer, Smith manager, CRS info solution designer, and we have also get our CSS file CSS in this lightning wave component implemented. So now see a list of contact rendered using an iterator with the red top border before the first record and the red bottom border after the last record. So you can easily update the CSS file to change color or styles as needed. So this is how you can render a list using an iterator directive in Lightning Web Component and style it using custom CSS. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions and hit the bell icon for more Salesforce related videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy coding.